Hey everyone, welcome back to NextGen Motorhomes. Today, we're taking a super close look at one of the kings of the road, the Tiffin Phaeton. This motorhome is basically the luxury penthouse of the RV world, and we're going to cover everything from its exterior and interior to how it drives, performs, and of course, what it'll cost you. Buckle up because this is going to be a detailed ride. Let's start with the outside because first impressions matter, right? And the Phaeton definitely makes one. The exterior screams sophistication. We're talking sleek lines, glossy finishes, and a presence on the road that basically says, I'm not just a motorhome, I'm a Tiffin Phaeton. The paint? Automotive-grade stuff that stays shiny and resists fading. So even if you're traveling under the hot sun or through rainstorms, this beauty is built to turn heads. Now, check out the slide-outs. They're basically magic. Depending on a model, you can get up to 4, which instantly expand your living space. You pull over, push a button, and suddenly you've got a living area that rivals some apartments. No gaps, no leaks, everything fits perfectly. And then there's the full-length awning. Perfect for creating a little outdoor oasis at your campsite. Some models even have LED lights on the awning, which is a small touch but makes evenings feel really cozy. Storage on the Phaeton is also impressive. You've got giant exterior compartments for all your gear, bikes, camping chairs, tools, you name it. And with built-in lighting in many compartments, you don't have to play flashlight Tetris at night. The whole thing sits on a sturdy chassis, usually Freightliner or Spartan, which just screams reliability and smooth road handling. Step inside, and wow, this is where the magic really happens. The interior is all about luxury and comfort. Head in, and you immediately notice the space. We're talking high ceilings, wide open layouts, and a ton of natural light. The seating is mostly leather, often recliners with footrests, so you can basically nap anywhere you want. Honestly, I half expect someone to bring a martini over while I'm sitting there. The kitchen is straight up impressive. Residential-style fridge, induction cooktop, convection microwave, sometimes even a dishwasher. The countertops are solid surface, Korean or quartz, so they look fancy and are easy to clean. Storage is plentiful, with deep cabinets and drawers, so packing for a long trip won't be a problem. Next to the kitchen, you've got your dining area. Some models come with freestanding tables and chairs, so it feels just like home. Other models have booth-style dinettes that can double as extra sleeping space. And the entertainment system? Big screen TV, solid sound system, and options for satellite connectivity. Basically, you're not missing Netflix even if you're in the middle of nowhere. The bedroom and bathroom areas are another level of luxury. The master suite usually has a king-size bed, tons of closet space, and some models even include a washer and dryer. So yeah, full-time road warriors, this is basically a mobile hotel. The bathroom is spacious with separate showers, high-quality fixtures, and a water system that feels just like home. Hot shower, check. Long road trip? Bring it on. Performance is where the Phaeton proves it's not just about looks. These run on diesel engines, giving you enough power to cruise highways comfortably, even if you're towing toys or carrying extra passengers. The ride is smooth thanks to advanced suspension, bumps in the road, barely noticeable. Steering is precise, braking is reliable, and advanced driver assist features like lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control make driving this big rig a lot less stressful. Now let's talk tech. This thing is loaded. Touchscreen controls for lights, climate, and entertainment make everything super easy to manage. Some models even have solar panels to supplement battery power, which is great for off-grid camping. Advanced inverter systems keep all your appliances running smoothly, so you don't have to worry about power while enjoying nature. Of course, we have to talk price because the Phaeton isn't cheap. Starting prices are high six figures, and fully loaded models can exceed $1 million. But here's the thing, you're paying for quality, durability, and a motorhome that can last decades. Owners often report thousands of miles with minimal issues, which, let's be honest, is impressive for a vehicle of this size. Another bonus is resale value. Tiffin has a great reputation, so these motorhomes tend to hold their value better than most competitors. That makes it not just a luxury purchase, but also a smart investment for anyone thinking about upgrading in a few years. Customization is also a big deal. Tiffin lets you pick interior colors, cabinetry, flooring, tech packages, and more. Essentially, you can make your Phaeton feel like a reflection of your personality. And the service? Excellent. Tiffin has a solid network of service centers, and owners report very responsive customer support. Routine maintenance is straightforward, and because the build quality is top-notch, problems are rare. So let's recap. The Tiffin Phaeton is a motorhome that truly delivers. The exterior is stunning and functional, with smooth slide-outs, lots of storage, and a commanding road presence. The interior is luxurious, comfortable, and loaded with amenities. Performance is smooth and powerful, with advanced safety features that make driving a breeze. Technology, customization, and excellent support round out the experience. If you're looking for a motorhome that doesn't compromise, one that makes every trip feel like a first-class adventure, the Phaeton is it. From full-time travelers to weekend warriors, it's hard not to be impressed by what Tiffin has put together here. It's more than just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle, a home on wheels, and an investment in adventure. So, whether you're planning cross-country trips or just want the ultimate road trip experience, the Tiffin Phaeton delivers. It's comfortable, it's luxurious, and it handles like a dream. And honestly, once you step inside, you might never want to leave.